Hey, welcome back to Pink Goddess Cleaning Company, or welcome to the channel if you are new here. I'm Alex, and in this video, I'll be restoring order to a master bedroom and bathroom, so do stick around. So the backstory on this video is the owner of this apartment works 3 full-time jobs from home. Whee! So she is really busy. The last thing that she wants to do after work is clean. So you can imagine, with a schedule like hers, things can get backed up. So the bedroom was pretty easy, and there wasn't really a lot of stuff. It was just a matter of wiping down the surfaces, picking up any trash, and vacuuming. The next step was to make the bed, and I find with messy rooms, sometimes you can leave the room a mess, but when you make the bed, it really turns everything around, and it just doesn't look that bad. So, I don't know, make your beds. Now, before you come for me about changing the sheets, she was working at the time, so I didn't really want to interrupt her. She didn't leave any linens for me, and after the fact, when I was leaving, I asked her about it, and she actually didn't even expect me to make the bed. She just wanted to get done whatever I can get done in the amount of time that I was there. So me doing the bed was an actual surprise and a treat for her. So there you go. You see how making the bed just totally makes the room? It looks great, huh? All right, so now we're in the bathroom, and this is where I spent the majority of my time. It was like a project that just created itself. At first, I thought it was just going to be one, two, three. I'm going to wipe down. But then I had all this time left over. So I was like, well, let me restore some order to these cabinets. And so I started just kind of doing a light organization, just kind of getting rid of some empty bottles. And then little by little, I was just like, oh, I could do more. And then I was like, well, I could do more. And then before you know it, I literally had everything in the cabinets out of the cabinets. And I just had to keep on going. There was no turning back at that point. I think this was the point where I was like, all right, I'm just taking everything out and we're just going to start fresh. Now, you see, things may look scary at this point, but I guarantee you there's a lot going on right now, and there really is an order happening, and you'll see it start developing. You'll see it start coming together. At this point, I was just kind of trying to establish like things together. So I was kind of dividing them between like hair products, pharmacy products, skincare, and like body wash and things like that. And I got to tell you, with projects like this, sometimes you can think that you have it figured out. You can think that, okay, this is going to go here. And then sometimes you end up dismantling something you put together because you realize something else could go better here. So you might see in your own projects, like you could put things on a shelf and then end up taking them down, putting them somewhere else because that shelf could be better utilized. So this is just the natural evolutionary process of decluttering and cleaning. And I gotta say, in some cases, it's an ongoing process. And then once everything is like properly divided and everything is in its proper category, then putting it away is the easiest part. And then you'll see like the video just kind of looks like it's coming together because everything is already where it needs to be in terms of with its counterparts, with its partners, with its friends. So it's just a matter of making it fit and having it look tidy. Okay, and that's it, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end. Please leave me some feedback in the comments, letting me know how you're liking these videos, how you liking this new voiceover format. And just to let you know, as of the time I'm editing this video right now, we just passed 100 subscribers. So thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. I look forward to making more content for you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!